Today I want to show us how you can open an unlimited Gmail. So firstly, go to add another account in your Gmail account. Then you create a new account. You can choose any of these ones. Choose my personal email. I filled in my first name. So if you see the name I put there, that's quite funny, right? Then it's optional if you want to put the last name. You choose put in your date of birth. You can choose any date of birth. You can rather not say. Choose a mail in this point. Then you can create your own. You can choose any of the listed names there. I created to choose mine. So after choosing mine, I would then go to next. So this name has been chosen already, so I'll delete it, then I'll take another name. Alright, good. So I can put in my password. Then I can choose to add the recovery email. I will skip that. Then I go to next. And after that, you can proceed. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions. And that's it. Please make sure you subscribe and comment and share my videos. Stay tuned for more updates and tips like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's all you need to open an unlimited Gmail account in 2025. Thank you.